Hey friends, if you have already subscribed to my channel uh, before I upload most of all my videos in Manipuri, and if you are still subscribing and if you don't know Manipuri, I'm sorry friend, please unsubscribe me. And if you want to subscribe to my English channel, I have an English channel called Devras Mayang Lambam. So let's go and subscribe there. And because some of you are still subscribed to my channel, but I have decided some months back that I will only upload videos in English, in Manipuri, in Manipuri. So sorry again, friends. But if you want to subscribe, you can go and search and subscribe. It's called Devras Mayang Lambam without Shing, and there I will only upload videos in Manipuri, in English, in English. So that's it. I have to say goodbye from here. So welcome there. I already welcome you there. Okay. Take care, friends.